I'm Dr. Suman Jain, Chief Medical Research Officer of Thalassemia and Sickle Cell Society, which is a registered NGO in Hyderabad. More than 2,700 patients from Telangana and parts of other states are registered with our society, and around 35 to 45 patients are given blood transfusions every day. With current COVID-19 scenario, we had to bring about a lot of changes and precautions had to be implemented. We are happy to inform that none of our patients have been reported to be infected with COVID-19. Soon after WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic and seeing the severity of condition in other countries, Government of India has initiated awareness program among the public through automated message via telephone, mobile calling and also through media on COVID-19. The people were advised to wash their hands regularly, use tissue cloth or cloth where coughing or sneezing and maintain social distancing. Lockdown was called throughout India and people were advised to stay home and not to go outside unless there is any emergency. Ever since the COVID-19 first case was reported on 30th January 2020 in India and 4th March 2020 in Telangana, and as the number of cases started rising by second week of March, TSCS started sending messages to our patients regarding precautionary measures to be followed to prevent COVID-19 infection, and the number of transfusions have been reduced in a day, keeping in mind social distancing. They were made aware of personal hygiene, including regular hand wash, avoiding crowded places, maintaining social distance, wearing masks, avoiding unnecessary traveling, eating healthy food, consumption of hot water, salt water gargling, covering mouth while coughing and sneezing. As government imposed lockdown throughout India, patients were finding it difficult to reach the society. They were provided with individual letters certifying their condition to make their travel easy. We are also provided government recommendation letter through Health, Medical and Family Welfare Department to our patients for traveling to the society for blood transfusion. We are thankful to the Health Ministry and Police Department for hassle-free traveling. The following precautionary measures were adopted to protect our patients and their attenders from COVID-19 infection. On arrival, the patient is checked for temperature and any symptoms related to COVID-19, providing sanitizers and masks, providing healthy food, maintaining social distance while collecting samples, consultation, blood transfusion and dispensing medicines. Sickle cell anemia patients were specially advised to continue penicillin prophylaxis without fail and consume plenty of fluid so as to maintain their immunity levels. Thalassemia patients were encouraged to maintain hemoglobin and not to skip their iron chelation doses so as to maintain their serum ferritin levels so that their immunity is not compromised. Society is being sanitized daily by carrying out fumigation and spraying sodium hypochlorite solution and strictly following social distancing. Due to lockdown, providing blood to the patient was a challenge, and we could overcome this by motivating donors to come and donate blood in-house, highlighting the plight of thalassemia patients due to lack of blood. All precautionary measures were followed during blood donation. Online donation request form was put up to draw the donors. We are very much thankful to the donors for cooperating with us and coming forward to donate the blood in this tough crisis.